instead of it being stored like that, so what's left and what do we still need to do? Once those are done, we'll be able to start building. I'm feeling good. I feel like we'll be able to pull something together.
My grandma was actually one of the first female electrical engineers in the United States. So I thought that working in tech was something that a bunch of grandmas did, but when I went through that process, I realized that that wasn't actually the gender dynamic that was there in the classroom or at the companies I was looking to work at. Growing up, I was always encouraged to pursue activities in STEM. I was a camp counselor at Camp Invention. I was on a FIRST robotics team. And then in college, I also did a few Major League hacking events that were helpful with kind of exercising that bravery muscle and exercising that muscle of failing fast and learning often. I knew I wanted to be working somewhere where I felt comfortable and where I felt like they had my best interest at heart. So it was really nice to be a part of a community at Microsoft and to really find that through Girls Who Code and serving as a mentor there and now being an intro to computer science teacher at Borden High School. Getting to be at a professional hackathon now, that's a totally different transition.
If you want, we can start looking at ways to like mock up.
So this hackathon was the first time that I was serving as, I guess, in a manager role for people who are more senior than me. So I got to decide the scope of the project and help out guiding on what we're actually going to get done on time and what we're going to create. So coming up with those decisions was something I was really excited to do and organize and rally our team behind. Hackathons are generally a lot of sitting down and coding, coming up with ideas and seeing what works. You always have to pivot, you always have to be ready to move in a different direction because you never know where it's going to go.
We just check in every once in a while, see where things are at from like the planning. I served as an honorary member of Bailey's team at the hackathon, and I got to help them with everything from how to craft a demo and make a cool video to actually deciding the scope of the project.
Maybe we could have 3 in the same.
Bailey was a really impressive hackathon team leader. She wrangled a lot of different professional developers with a wide range of skills. Getting all of those people to run in the same direction is a problem that even huge organizations can have challenges with.
Wait, so are you joining our hackathon team then?
What was really unique about the hackathon is that you don't have to do your day job. There were designers that were coding and software developers that were designing. So it was really fun to all be a part of a collaborative community where we're all practicing and seeing what we can build.
So one of them is a weather app, as we talked about.
At the beginning of the hackathon, Bailey and her team pitched me their idea, which was initially to build a notes app on the blockchain. Within the first couple of hours, they had pivoted, expanded the concept, and started encountering some technical limitations.
So for now, we're focusing on...
Ultimately, we decided on converging on this rental car scenario of a verifiable claim where I could store a driver's license in my digital wallet and be able to rent a car online without having to go through the hassle of the check-in table.
From the idea of that flow to now we have 2 working websites.
Being at the hackathon was so helpful because we were able to test our approach and pivot quickly and learn more about what we actually wanted to create. We're now looking into launching this project through the Microsoft Garage. We're really excited that they're going to partner with us and actually coach us along the way to bring this project to the next level. I feel like the goal with any hackathon is just to show up. I think that just walking in the door and saying that I have this idea and I'm going to work on it and see what we can create is just the overarching meaning of going to a hackathon.
Day 3, it's Wednesday. We have to get the video done by today.
Hackathons are a magical bubble where people get to leave their day-to-day lives, enter this risk-free environment, and work on things that they may have never imagined they would be capable of.
1, 2, 3,
Go team!
Satya came by our booth, which was really exciting, and we actually got the demo to work moments before he came by. So that was a little tense getting everything ready, but I'm so proud of our team that we were able to pull through and get that together for him and give him an awesome demo.
Good stuff.
Thanks very much.
Good
Good to see you.
Good seeing you guys.
I think that even the most failed hacks, that's where you learn the most. And so I think that it's a really healthy way to experiment in a way where you're not getting a grade at the end, or it's not tied to your performance at work.
You get to gather all of this collective knowledge from hundreds of your peers that, want you to succeed. And everyone comes out the other end having learned something new and stretched themselves and hopefully made a few friends along the way.
1, 2, 3,
Someday I hope the perception that I had as a kid that the tech industry was filled with grandmas can come to fruition, because we need more women and girls in tech. I feel like just being 23 and being able to lead a team at the hackathon was really exciting because it's a really rare opportunity where you get to do that, and I'm really grateful that Microsoft has those opportunities in place.
Hey, stop. Come on back.
Okay.